Back to my channel. This is Great Talk, and what I do is solve technical problems, and I provide very important information that you can make use of for you to have a better performance in your technical examinations. If you are watching my video for the first time, thank you, and please subscribe to this channel. Help me share my videos with your friends who are technical drawing students, and please practice this subject. It's a practical subject. You need to practice it for you to become a master at it. This is question 2B of year 2023, paper 2, and we are asked to work on this, and I'm going to read what the instruction says. As we have that the sketch in figure 2 shows an exhaust pipe gasket, and here we are asked to draw full size the given view showing all construction lines. So this is what we have. We just need to replicate this, and we need to make use of these dimensions, and also we have to apply the principle of tangency to solve this particular problem. Okay, so from this vertical center line of the big circle and this circle here, we have distance of this circle from here to here to be 72, and from here to here is 72, and also the diameter of this circle is 88, and the diameter of this big arc here, which just like a circle, is 116 millimeters, and for this circle here and this circle, so we have that diameter is 25 millimeters, while for this semicircle that we have here and this, we have the radius to be 21, and then for this arc that connect this particular arc and this semicircle together is 33. So the same thing applies to this one, and also to this one. So we are going to replicate it as I said and as we are instructed. So let's start. So the first thing that we need to do is to draw a horizontal center line, as I'm going to do it here. So we draw a horizontal center line like this. Okay, then we are going to draw a vertical center line at this point here. So just draw it somewhere here, a vertical center line like this. Alright, so the next thing that I'm going to do is that I'm going to take a measurement of 72 millimeters from this midpoint, so where these two lines intersect, 72 millimeters. I will take 72 to the left side, and also I will take 72 to the right side, 72 millimeters to the right side here. So this is 72 millimeters. So I'm going to draw a vertical line at this point. A vertical line at this point. It's a vertical center line at this point. Also, I will draw a vertical center line at this point here. Alright, so with what we have done now, the next thing that I'm going to do is to divide the diameter of this circle. I divide the diameter of this circle into 2. The diameter is 88, that means the radius is 44. I will take a measurement of 44 millimeters. So this is 44 millimeters. So this is 44. So I will put at the center here, and I will draw a circle. Alright, so the next one that I'm going to do is to divide 116, which is the diameter of this particular arc. So I divide it into 2. So it is 116. 116 by 2 will give us 58 millimeters. So I will take a measurement of 58 millimeters. So 58 millimeters. And I'm going to draw this partially. I'm not going to draw it. I will draw it as a circle, but it will not be really visible. So I'll just draw like this. Okay, so which I believe you can see it a little bit. Okay, so then the next thing that I'm going to do now is that I'm going to draw this circle and also this circle. So the diameter of that is 25. So the radius is 12.5. So I will take a measurement of 12.5 millimeters. Then I'll put at this point here, and I will draw a circle. Okay, so I'll draw a circle. Okay, so coming here also, I will draw a circle. Alright, so having drawn this circle and we drew this big one partially, so we have this circle and this circle. So the next thing that we are going to do is to draw this semicircle, and the radius of this semicircle is 21 millimeters. So we take a measurement of 21 millimeters. 21 millimeters. So this is 21. So I'll put at the center here, and then I will draw the semicircle like this. Also coming to this side, so I'll draw the semicircle. Alright, so the next that we are going to do now, after we have drawn the semicircle, is to draw this arc, this arc, this arc, and this arc. And the radius of this arc is 33 millimeters. So what we need to do in this case is that we are going to add this radius 33 and the radius of this big arc. We add them together. So the radius of this big arc is 58, as I said, plus 33, that will give us 91. So we take a measurement of 91 millimeters. 91 millimeters. Okay, so this is 91 millimeters, put at the center here. So we are going to draw an arc up here, like this. We draw an arc down here. Then here we also draw an arc. Also on this side, we draw an arc like this. Okay, now, so the next that we are going to do is that we are going to add the radius of this semicircle and 33, we add it together. I mean, the radius of this semicircle here and this radius 33, we add them together, and that will give us the radius of this semicircle is 21. 21 plus 33, that will give us 54. So we take a measurement of 54 millimeters. 54 millimeters. So this is 54 millimeters. So I'll put at the center here, and I make an arc here, make an arc here, like this. Then bring it to this center here. So here I will make an arc, and here I will make an arc. So let's call the point of intersection of the arcs. So let's call it P. So this is Q. So this is R, and this is S. Okay, so the next that we are going to do now is to take that radius 33 millimeters. So which is this? So 33 millimeters. So this is 33 millimeters. So I'll put at the center, at this point, at the point of intersection of these arcs, and I will draw an arc like this to connect with the semicircle. Okay, so putting at this point, so I will also connect this together like this. Also, I put at this point here. Join. So I want to make sure we are able to see it clearly. Okay, so and then I'll put at this point. Then alright. So with what we have done here, so we only need to make this big arc to be visible so that everything will be blended together. So this is it. So that everything will be uniform. Alright, this is the solution to the questions. As simple as I've done it here, all you need to do is to practice. When you practice it, you will surely master it. And it's very, very important when you come across a question like this, you need to know how to make use of the principles of tangency. We have 3 principles of tangency: principle 1, principle 2, and principle 3, which I made videos for. Please watch those videos and practice with those principles and become a master at it. Thank you, and keep on practicing. God bless you.